Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm here at the beautiful Palolem Beach in South Goa, and in today's video we're going to take a walk on the beach. I'm going to show you what's open. I'm going to show you the prices of kayaks. I'm going to show you the price of massage, and I'm just going to show you the crowd here, the people, and all this beauty behind me here, which is Palolem Beach here, and it's so beautiful, guys. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach. So guys, we are right now at the end of the beach, which is right next to my hotel, and then we're just going to keep going down this beach, and I'm going to show you around and show you what's going on here, what's happening at the beach, uh, the crowd, the people that are here, and everything. So this is so cool. So people are playing frisbee here. There's people from different countries. There's a lot of foreigners that are here. So the vibe is really beautiful. As you can see, the crowd, there's a lot of people. So they're all swimming here today. And yeah, it's very beautiful here. So something you should know is if you want to get a massage or anything, there are all these massage parlors available on the beach, and the massages are 400 for half an hour and 800 rupees for full body massage. Then down the beach they also have kayaking, which is, suppose you want to go to a kayak is 400 rupees for two people, the double kayak, and if you want the single kayak, then it is only 200 rupees. If you can see this place here, this is a very beautiful resort. It's called the Art Resort. I've done a video of this place, so if you want to go, if you want to go to this resort, you can check out my video of this place. It's very beautiful. And let's just look at the ocean. So you can see there's lots of people here, and just look at this, guys. Very beautiful all over. All of these shacks, the beer costs around 80 rupees for a kingfisher pint. Some shacks have it for 60 to 70 rupees. And the bigger shacks for a bigger bottle cost around 130 rupees for a kingfisher. If you want like other ones, Budweiser and stuff, 80 to 100 rupees for pints, for kingfisher pints. So here people are going to go for kayaking. So as you can see here, so as I told you, the kayaking is only for 200 rupees for a single person. So we are going to see the kayaks here. So these are the kayaks. If you want to kayak, so guys, these are the kayaks that are here. These are the single ones. Of course you have other kayaks which are for the double ones. And yeah, let's just see the vibe here. So beautiful. So if you can see, there are lots of foreigners at these shacks, which is nice, because Goa has been in lockdown for so long, and it's always had a lot of foreigners here in Palolem. So it's nice to see that the foreigners are here, and quite a lot of them, that too. So all these shacks here have foreigners. The hotel I showed you guys before, the Art Resort, is at the moment unbelievable. Is 96% of the occupancy was foreigners, according to the manager, so I was very surprised. So this is the Palolem scenes here. There's people swimming. There is no water sports on this beach, in the sense you cannot have paragliding or parasailing or any of those things here. But the other stuff, like you can even get a surfboard here. You can get a paddle board, and yes, if you want to get a tattoo as well, you can get a tattoo here. Very cool. So you can see here there are some ladies playing this game. It's quite popular, interesting. So yeah, guys, we're going to go and check out the paddle boards here, which are available, which is at this place. So if you guys have never seen a paddle board before, it's one of those things. You see that in the distance, that is a paddle board. So you get one of that and they give you this paddle and you can go into the ocean, and it's really beautiful. Yeah, there's only kayaks right now, but if I get to show you a paddle boat, it'll be cool. So not all of them have paddle boards, but this particular shop has them. So they have stand-up paddles, kayaks, body boards, skim boards, surfboards, all these things available here. So let me just show you. So these are at this place, which is called Samson's Kiosks. Okay, and of course there are lifeguards at the beach here. So the beach, the main entrance of the beach, I came from the end of the beach, which is the left end of the beach, but the main entrance of the beach is right up there. So there is one big light over there, and that is the main entrance of the beach. If you've not seen my night video, you definitely check out my night video of this place, because you guys will really enjoy it, because you can see this place lit up completely. They have candlelight dinner and everything on this beach. My recommendations for this beach is at that corner, on the left corner, are the rocks where you can click some great pictures, and on the right, if you've not seen my video of that, you can go to that place. That's where the song Machai by Bantai, Emiwe Bantai, is sang, and his music video is, and they have the, what is that, the rock with that shark on it, which looks like a shark. So it's really beautiful, guys.
I'm hypnotized by you. I can't do what you say. I'm hypnotized by you. Love in my
So guys, that is it from here at Palolem. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you some of the best videos from all over Goa, guys. So please do like and subscribe.